Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So if you're new to this channel, hi, I'm Rebecca, but if you're already subscribed, welcome back. Today I'm finally doing a beauty related video and I'll be trying out two new products from Rare Beauty. So if you see my makeup over here, I don't have my blusher and also my lipstick, so you can guess what products I'm trying out. So other than trying out the beauty products from Rare Beauty, I will also be talking about mental health. This is because I feel that even though most of us will experience mental health issue at some point of our lives, no one really talks about it because of the stigma. So if only stigma wasn't there, I feel that these issues can be handled faster and easier. That's what I'll be talking about, since Rare Beauty also advocates on mental health. So yeah, so stay tuned and keep on watching. This is my first time looking at it because I kept this package for you guys. So if you guys are curious, I ordered mine from JD Spree because Rare Beauty doesn't ship worldwide right now. Ooh, look at this. So this is the blusher. I also got the lip souffle. So right now I'll be trying on the blush first. So one thing I like about their blushes is that they have two different types of formula. So they have the dewy and the matte one, which is really smart of them to do that because different people have different preferences. I personally like the dewy look, so I got the shade Joy. So it looks like this. It's so pretty. It looks so cute. No smell. She's good. Oh my god, it's so pigmented. Oh my god. Did I put too much there? So I have the blush on this side and I have none on this side. I like the color, it's really nice. Ooh! One thing I like about this product is that it doesn't shift my foundation. Some cream blushes does that and that's really annoying. I love it. Oh my gosh guys, this is so nice. So next, I'll be trying out the Lip Soufflé Matte Lip Cream. So a lot of people have been raving about this. So I want to see what's the hype all about. So I forgot to mention that the shade that I got is Inspire. Yes, this is Selena's favorite shade and she used this a lot of times, so I had to get it. Wow, it's really bright. It looks quite nice. It feels really nice. It doesn't feel like I have anything on my lips and it's quite moisturizing. You know what it kind of reminds me of? It kind of reminds me of the lip cream from NYX. Yeah, it kind of feels like that. But I'm not sure whether this shade is my shade. What do you guys think about that? Is it too bright for me? One thing that I don't like about this product is that it clings onto the fine lines on my lips because I have dry lips, but I think I can easily overcome this problem by exfoliating my lips before I wear this lipstick. Not sure if it's my color, but since I already spent the money, I might as well use it, right? I can work this, it's fine. Overall, I really love the Rare Beauty products. Like, I would want to try their other products as well, like the eyeliner, setting spray, and also get some other shades of their blush and also their lip souffle. Right now, I'll be talking a little bit on students' health issues. I wouldn't go too deep about it because I don't want this video to be lengthy. But the reason why I chose to talk about students is because I'm a student myself and I feel that I can relate to them better than I could relate to any other age group. The two common mental health issues would be anxiety and depression. This is very common among all age group and also among students. Even though these problems are very common among the society, but not everybody talks about it, especially in Asia or specifically in Malaysia. I can only say that because I'm Malaysian myself. The reason why they're not talking about it is because of stigma. S-T-I-G-M-A, that word, stigma. So just because of stigma, they're scared of being perceived as a person who is weak and can't handle their problems, which is absolutely not true. It's just harder for us to talk about it because when we talk about it, people will either think that we are some weak person who can't handle our problems, or they will say that we're just making a big fuss out of small things. That's why it's very hard for us to talk about these mental health issues to everyone, including our parents, because sometimes even though you're not having any mental issues, you're just having some problems and you reach out to your parents for it, they might tell you that this is just part of life and you have to get over it without giving you any solution to this problem, or they might just ask you to just pray and ask God to help you. I really don't believe in just prayer alone. I feel that you have to combine prayer and also action. So some of the triggering events for depression and also anxiety would be peer pressure or society pressure. Since most of the students are teenagers, when you hit puberty, you're basically developing from head to toe. Your brain is developing, your body is developing. So male will go through changes like deepening of their voice, they will start to grow armpit hair. For girls, they will go through changes like their breasts will be developing, they will start to have pubic hair, their hips will start to get broader. When you're undergoing these type of changes, the society will set a beauty standard for girls and also boys, but everybody is different. Our body develops differently. A person may feel anxious and might be self-conscious when they are just not up to the beauty standard, which is a very common problem. I face it myself too. At this point of life, most people would try to fit into the society. I'm just saying that if society and peer pressure overwhelms a person, it can cause anxiety. The second triggering event would be diseases. So I'll give an example of psoriasis because I have psoriasis and eczema myself. So having psoriasis and eczema can be quite a challenge in life because it is a skin problem and your skin is your largest organ and it's very visible to everyone out there. I still clearly remember that I was very shy and my self-esteem was super low because I had eczema all over my legs and hands. I couldn't wear shorts, I couldn't wear skirts. Not because I couldn't, but I just don't want to because people will look at me differently. People would come up to me saying like, what is that? Is that infectious? Things like that can also cause you to be anxious, and when you start distancing yourself from others, depression might occur. Other than that, when you're a student, you will have tons of workload, right? It is always one assignment after the other. Some people may not know how to manage their time well. Constant stress and constant increased amount of workload can also trigger anxiety and depression in students. So next up is financial. So particularly if you are a university student, you would completely relate to this. You will have a lot of student debt for you to clear off, especially like if you are studying an expensive course like medicine, you will have to clear off 500,000 by yourself. Unless you have parents who are able to support you financially, that's good for you. But some of my friends still feel guilty because their parents are forking out that much for them. Same goes to me. When you have these financial worries at the back of your mind while studying, sometimes it can be a source of stress as well because you would constantly want to do well, know that you can't afford to repeat a semester or something because you will have to fork out so much money. The last triggering event for anxiety and depression would be idiopathic. Idiopathic means there is no known reasons. So sometimes it can just happen like that, you know. There are a lot of scientific research stating that different parts of our brain controls different emotions, and some people with anxiety or depression, they will have some parts of their brains that develop differently. A particular part would be overdeveloped or underdeveloped, so it messes up with the emotion and the way that you're thinking and stuff like that. So yeah, sometimes it can be just idiopathic. Going through anxiety, depression and also some other mental health issues is not an easy thing to do because most of the time you have to bear it yourself and it can be very stressful. I feel that it's very important for us to reach out to someone if we feel that we need help. You don't have to be at the point of your life where you are diagnosed as someone with anxiety or depression to reach out for help. Talking about some small daily problems that you experience in life with some other people may also help because you prevent the stress from accumulating, so that really helps as well. I understand that it's not an easy thing for us to reach out to someone to talk to, especially if it's regarding mental health issues because of the stigma, but the stigma will always be there. It's just what we do to help ourselves. So if we put aside that stigma and we face it bravely, I feel that this can be overcome better. Very important for us to know that the only person that can help us to get through this is ourselves. Sometimes when we have these mental health issues, these problems prevent us from helping ourselves, you know. It's not that we don't want to help ourselves, it's just that our brain is just so messed up and we just can't think straight. As a human living on this earth, all of us should understand one another. So if someone tells you that they are experiencing some problems, like they are sad or they feel anxious or they feel depressed, please be there for them. Don't say that it's all in your mind. Don't compare them to you because you're not the same. So sometimes people with problems, they don't want solutions. They want you to hear them. If you're a human living on this earth, please be nice to everyone. Please be kind to everyone. I know all of us have our own problems, but if we can just spare a little bit more time for those we care about, you would make this world a better place. I know it sounds super cliche. The world is already so filled with negative things. And also remember that you're not alone. Whatever you're facing right now, someone in the world is also facing the same problem. It's just that you guys are not connected to each other to talk about it. We have come to the end of the video. I hope that you like my short review on the rare beauty products and also me talking about some mental health issues. And I also hope that you learned something from this video because I really want to educate my viewers. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!